Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're doing a taste test for Shropshire Blue. Well, this has been maturing now for 4 months in its in the cheese cave. A little bit tacky on the outside. I think it might have got a little bit infected with a little bit of red mold, but I think it's just the blue doing its thing. I didn't wrap it up. Maybe I should have in some silver micro perforated paper, but certainly it has blue all the way around it. That makes it less stickier, less tackier. Let's flip her over. Yep, all good. A little bit of mould on the mat, but that's normal, I would expect. All right, let's just get rid of that. A bit more. Now it smells fairly well. I'm not going to say fairly ammonia. It's got a faint ammonia smell, and you would expect that from a blue cheese that's been maturing for this long. Still got blue on the outside. It's where there is no blue on the mould, on the cheese, where it's a little bit tacky. But yeah, I've seen this before in blue cheeses, no big deal. So there's the cheese in all its glory. So very sticky. So let's try and crack it. Now, where was that crack that we had? I think the crack is along there when we made the cheese. And you can check out what happened with the crack just up. There's a little bit of a video there. Anyway, let's just cut this open along the crack using my sharpest knife. And hopefully we've got some blue growth inside. It's a little bit sticky, something's going on here. Oops, the whole knife came away. Remember, this was an extremely crumbly cheese. Let's have a look inside. Oh my goodness, look at that. What has happened there? That is going straight to the pool room. So nice marbling all the way through, a little bit of cheese. Maybe if I can put that back on. Let's stick on. Oh, look at that. It's like Play-Doh. There we go. Can I stick that back on? Oh, and it fits too. Right, so that's where the cheese goes. It's not sticky on the inside. All good. So that's pretty cool. Nice looking blue cheese, and I'll tell you what, the marbling is very good. I'm very impressed. It's just marbling all the way through that. And that's mainly because when we did a little bit of pressing on that, I remember that there was blue mold all over the individual parts of this cheese before we pressed it. Anyway, so let's wipe my hands off first. Oh, sorry, got the sticky hands. Now, normally I'd cut this into small wedges. I don't know if I'll be able to because the cheese is sticking to the knife. Just as crumbly. Oh, there we go. So it just destroyed it. Doesn't matter. A couple of days. All right. Let's grab a piece of this this beast of a cheese. So let's have a taste test with some of this blue. There's a bit there. There's a bit more here. Very crumbly, as it's supposed to be. Oh, get back on there, you little blighter. Right. Oh. That's not going to waste either. That is one sexy blue cheese. Oh. My goodness. Shropshire Blue. I think I've died and gone to heaven. So strong, bitey. Oh. Very nice cheese. Let's get a bit of that paste on there from the knife. Let's cut a bit off here. I'd have no hesitation serving this up on a cheese platter. So crumbly. The blue is developed perfectly. It's just amazing. Get on there. Oops. Maybe fingers are the best course of action. There we are. Try another bit of that, just to see if the first taste was a little bit wrong. Very, very nice. Fairly salty. A nice sharp blue flavour. But very good. In fact, it's very salty. Maybe I should have eased off a little bit on the salt, but it was, I followed the recipe to the letter, but as far as the salt goes, the process maybe not so much, but yeah. Very nice cheese, Shropshire Blue. So, I'd highly recommend it if you haven't made it already. Really good cheese. The orange is from the annatto that I added to it, so it's not special milk or anything like that. It's just a cheese colouring. That's a natural cheese colouring. And yeah, great blue veining throughout the whole cheese. Very impressive to look at. You know, even with the fishes in it, you can see, you know, there's a lot of blue there as well. So very sharp. You couldn't eat a lot of it because it is so strong. But yeah, really good cheese. Now you can pick up all the ingredients and the equipment to make this cheese over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. Well, I hope you enjoyed this cheese making video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to the channel, and give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.